Let us take third one, sec A plus tan A 1 minus sin A. We will write this trigonometric ratios in the form of sin theta and cos theta. Sec A is equal to, is the reciprocal of cos A, and tan A is sin A upon cos A. Here 1 minus sin A. Take cos A common, 1 plus sin A. Just add them in the numerator because the denominator is same. So the numerators will get added. You have to take only once cos A. Don't take it 2 times. It is common. So only the numerator will get added. Just like 1 upon 7 plus 2 upon 7. So 7 is common and you add the numerators that way. Now 1 minus sin A. Cos A is in the denominator because here nothing is there, here only 1 is there. So cos A into 1 is 1, cos A. 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A. Now here you have to use the identity, algebraic identity, A plus B, A minus B. So what it would be? A plus B, A minus B is equal to A squared minus B squared. Using this identity, using the identity. What shall we get? 1 squared minus sin squared A upon cos A. Again one more trigonometric identities. Here we are using both the identities in all the sums, algebraic identity as well as trigonometric identity. So 1 minus sin squared A, how do we get it? Sin squared A plus cos squared A is equal to 1. Therefore 1 minus sin squared A is equal to cos squared A. Using this identity, we are going to replace 1 minus sin squared A with cos squared A. Cos squared A upon cos A is cos A. Cos squared A means what do you know? It is cos A into cos A. And here we are upon cos A. So we get cos A. Now, this is the third one. And now we'll do the fourth one. One plus tan squared A upon 1 plus cot squared A. Again we are going to replace this trigonometric ratios with the ratios of sin A and cos A. So we are not going to use tan squared A and cot squared A. We are going to replace it with the ratios of sin and cos. What is tan squared? What is tan A? It is sin A upon cos A. But here is squared, so put squared upon 1 plus, wait, don't have to do like this. 1 plus tan squared A, replace it with the sec squared A. 1 plus tan squared A is equal to sec squared A. You can even do that way, but it will be a little bit lengthy. So let us do this way. We are going to use the trigonometric identity. 1 plus tan squared A is equal to sec squared A. This will be a shorter method. And 1 plus cot squared A is equal to cosec squared A. These are the two trigonometric identities which we are going to use over here. So, cosec squared A, we will replace 1 plus cot squared A with cosec squared A. Now we will use sine and the ratios of sine and cos. What is sec? It is the reciprocal of 1 upon cos squared a. And what is cosec? It is the reciprocal of 1 upon sine squared a. It means it is the reciprocal of sine a, but here as it is squared we are putting square. Now 1 plus cos squared a will be as it is. These two will get will take the reciprocal of these two. 1 upon sine squared a will be taken as a reciprocal, because this is in division, and when we multiply it we take the reciprocal of the denominators, the fractions which are in the denominator. This fraction is in denominator, this fraction is in numerator. The fraction which is in the denominator should be taken as a reciprocal when we take the product. Here we are converting it into product. This is division. And when we convert it into product, we take the reciprocal of the fraction in the denominator. So that's what we are doing. We took the reciprocal. What are we getting? Sine squared a upon cos squared a. What is sine a upon cos a? It is tan a. But as we are taking squared, we will write tan squared a.